Oh, hi, Miss Lucy. Go get Miss Leanne.
Hey, Brock. Yazzie, come here. Yes, you're beautiful. Come on.
Oh, Pippi, say off. Off, Pippies.
Oh, Mackie, you look so handsome. What'd you find, Luna girl?
I should have put gloves on.
What'd you find, Luna girl? Oh, Luna.
Pippi, off.
Luna, baby.
Off, Pippi. What, Bandit?
Go play. Go play. Where's Bandit? Where's Buster?
Josie, is that big enough for you, dude?
Josie.
I know, it's like bigger than his head.
That's quite the snowball. Just saying that there's more. See, there's more. Who wants a snowball? Can't throw it. No.
I know, my fingers are frozen. I need to get my gloves before I go back in group. Mackie, off. Thank you.
Buster! Come here, buddy. Get off the ice before you come here.
Hi, Ruby. Dan, how many dogs are inside?
I don't think any.
Okay.
Yeah, Ruby.
No, Ruby's right here.
Julia.
Okay.
Oh, Ruby's right there. I missed her.
I think she was hidden behind the snow pile.
Hi, Mackie. Hi, buddy.
Cinnamon. All right. I'm walking while filming. The camera's gonna be like a shaky little doohickey. Look at you too. All right, let's hope I don't fall. Who's gonna catch me? Cinnamon, you will. Okay. I miss Lila.